Hi everyone, my name is Konstantin, your aviation broker, Aviation Sales International, KFE Avia. Today I'm flying this Baron 58 non-pressurized version. This Baron looks very original with avionics, except the Garmin 430 of course, with basic standard avionics. I started this vlog not from the very beginning. I'm flying about 1 hour already, and I just decided to show you how perfect can be an aeroplane which has this old avionics, this interesting, I would say, this old paint on mixture control, throttle and RPM control levers. This aeroplane is quite efficient in cruise. We are making now 155 knots through airspeed with the ground speed 179, and the consumption is 13 gallons per engine. Fuel tanks in this aeroplane are 136 gallons, which gives endurance of about 5.5 hours. I'm cruising in Alps, Switzerland. Mostly I would encourage you to watch this video and enjoy the views. Anyway, this aeroplane is equipped, as I said, with Garmin 430 as well as CDI for ILS approach, and for VR approach CDI number 2. Oops, deviating a little bit from my route. Yeah, this aeroplane has no autopilot, therefore you have to be careful on where you are flying. And basically everything is working here. Fuel gauges, surprisingly even the fuel gauges, the original ones, are working quite well. ILS is working. I did an ILS approach today in Hirona. I wasn't sure if you will be interested in an aeroplane like this. Just because I know everyone wants everything to be included in the aeroplane and they don't want to do any upgrades later. They want to have everything which is like ready to sit and fly. But believe me, sometimes you search for an aeroplane like this, you do an upgrade and you enjoy it for the rest of your life. A little bit bumpy today. By the way, this aeroplane is not turbocharged on the engines, therefore you cannot like really climb high. Maximum you would do with this aeroplane 12,000 feet. Therefore it was equipped with oxygen, but oxygen is not used in this aeroplane anymore. However, it would be good to use oxygen when you fly at high altitude for a while, just to refresh yourself. You know, this aeroplane has the heater as well, but if you put too much heat into your face, you become feeling a bit dry in your nose and everything. So I put a bit of heating, it works, but I decide to put the jacket. The outside air temperature is -2. We are at 7,000 feet. The plane is very stable. Without autopilot it can follow the designated heading, no problem, keep in altitude. Anyway, you need to pay attention, of course. And there we go, starting our descent towards Aisch, Neustadt. It's a bit rainy now. The sun is shining, but there's still rain. As you saw, mostly the weather was good. Runway 27 is in use. I checked Nuremberg. We can do together.
Nuremberg, information Romeo. Med report time 1450. Expect vectors for right LS approach. Runway in use 28. Runway condition.
Runway 28. And wind?
140. Runway condition code 5. Deposit total runway width 100%. Transition level 60. Wind 260 degrees 8 knots.
Thank you for watching this video. As always, I'll do short walking tour for pictures and videos of this aeroplane. Time to go. Thanks, this nice aeroplane brought me this long distance from Spain to Germany in one leg. I'm very surprised about the performance of this aeroplane. This is a very efficient aeroplane. This was Konstantin Fitchenko, your aviation advisor, KFE Avia, Aviation Sales International. Welcome to our showroom. You can see we are full of aeroplanes. You can always visit our aerodrome, make some test flights, choose what you prefer, because I was pleasantly surprised with Baron 58. Please leave comments, subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos.